Welcome. Pranayama, for those who may be unfamiliar with the practice, means to control the breath. Prana is the vital energy or breath, and ayama means to control. In Patanjali's Yoga Sutras, the Eightfold Path is called Ashtanga, which can literally be translated to 8 limbs. These 8 limbs are detailed steps to how to live a meaningful and purposeful life, as well as attain higher states of consciousness, or samadhi. While yoga can sometimes be confused for only the physical aspect in the West, actually only one step of the 8 limbs, which is asana. Asana is number 3, and right after that is pranayama, or breath control. Prana is our life force. It's the only thing we cannot live without for more than a few minutes. It is the bridge between matter and consciousness, the body and the soul. It is that which connects our energy body to the infinite universal energy. Ultimately, we are trying to awaken our kundalini energy, which is lying dormant at the base of the spine, and raise it to higher chakras. Pranayama aids in this process. There's a very long list of benefits from practicing pranayama, as it cleanses and has positive effects on almost all the physical systems of the body, while also relaxing the mind and the spirit. By manipulating the breath through inhalation and exhalation, the timing and count of each breath, we can reach optimal health as well as raise our energy and levels of consciousness, also allowing for longer periods of focus and meditation. So if you'd like to begin or continue deeper into your pranayama practice, please have a look at my other videos, which include beginners and more advanced techniques. Namaste.